Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix cannot change country or region. So if you try to change your country or region and after that you see this kind of error on your iPhone iOS 26, so how you can fix that. So if you want to fix that, then what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection, and after that what you have to do next is you have to simply close this page, and after that you have to go to settings, and here you have to go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone, and here you have to click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. So as it is written in the error that you have to simply cancel any subscription if you have any. So if you first of all you have to make sure that if you have any pending payments or subscription in that country or region which you are currently using, then what you have to do, you have to simply first of all cancel all the subscription, and you have to provide any pending payments which are for the any subscription available. So for this you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to click on name or Apple ID here, and after that you have to click on media and purchases, and here you have to click on view account, and after that what you have to do, you have to wait for some time so that a new kind of interface is available. So here you can simply open that settings, and here you have to check for manage payments, and you have to make sure that you have provided the correct payment methods, and after that you can simply check for purchase history and subscription, and if you have any pending payment left, then you have to make sure that you clear all the pending payments, and after that you will be able to change country or region, and after that you have to try again to change country or region. For this you have to go to settings again, and this you have to click on name or Apple ID here, and you have to click on media and purchasing, and you have to click on view account, and after that you have to follow the same procedure, and you will find the option of country or region, and you have to click on that, and after that you have to agree the terms and condition of that country, and you have to first of all select the country, and after selecting the country you have to provide the payment method, and if you do not have, you can simply select none option, and after that your country or region will be changed without any problem. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.